Okay, friends, we're at a very familiar machine, Mo Mummy. We've had some battles with this one. This is the same exact one, you see, the beautiful view. Durango Casino. It's the same exact one that we had the most epic wins on and some of the most disappointing losses on. So we are in here with, how much are we starting with? 3, so we put in 140 and we have 375 bets, so. Okay, yes, no, none. We want all 3 of those. So we were playing another one earlier that had 375 was the max bet. Come on. Okay, that's good. That's a good start, right? Hey, wifey? High thumbs, wifey. Where are you? Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so good start. Let's get some crazy re-triggers and all that kind of good stuff right now. Hey, wifey, you and I together. Okay, we pushed the screen thinking it was gonna do something, but did absolutely nothing. Excuse us. Excuse us for trying. Oh yeah? Bam. Banza. Oh yeah, now, here we go. Just don't mess around and give us a thing. It could be here. It could be here. We really need that feature. Of course it comes a day late, dollar short. Oh my God, please now. Oh, come on now, every single time before that. I am furious. $3, I am furious. I am absolutely, I almost want to cut the video short right now, and now I have to 375 on a 375 after 6. I know the line hits on this game aren't great. Why in tarnation to give us?
He showed you the green ones though.
Yeah, he showed it to us before, and then we don't want your stupid free spins. Keep them to yourself. Only want cash collect, but cash collect in that feature. Oh my God, of course. They're all showing up now. Oh, they're popped. Oh, it did! Nice! On a $30 bet. Or sorry, $30 thing. $30 whatever. You know what I mean? Oh, let's do it again. Let's not awkwardly touch the screen together this time. Durango. Meet our friend Mo Mummy. People. Familiar setting. Okay. Everyone, channel your energy to the channel. This is needed. This machine's taken thousands of dollars from us the last few weeks. We keep coming back to you, old friend. Come on, let's show some people. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's show everyone what can happen when you believe in the power of Mo Mummy. That first bonus, absolute sando. Sadness. Oh, 15. Come on, green. I saw a progressive green. I think Summer is probably the minor, but green. Okay, $15 green. We like it. Now we are in desperate need to keep moving forward because it's showing some pretty good numbers. We need you, Mr. Mummy. Please keep the party going. Oh my goodness, 50. Oh, 2, yes. Oh, a huge 3. 35. Oh my God. Okay. We missed some of the huge ones, but we have a chance to go to the full screen. We have an excellent chance right here, Mr. Mummy. Okay, those are the progressives up there, you can see. We were playing out one earlier in Summerlin with a $12,000 grand, but come on. Hello? Oh my goodness. I mean, come on. Yes, $50 one, yes, minor. What's minor? Oh, okay. All right, yeah, that is a big one. That's what she said. Okay, people. This is starting to be what's starting to look like what could be the grand jackpot for one time. The major is up there too, so $600 million it is. Let's go. Come on, Mr. Mummy. More. Nothing fall outside. Big. Okay. I'm so excited, but tame my expectations. Hello, Minnie fell outside. Oh, $50 again. How? Okay, we need 3 coins on this spin. We just saw it. Mr. Mummy, you made wifey laugh at me right now, okay? That is not cool. Wifey is sitting here laughing at me. This is what we have to show from the last couple sessions we were playing right now. April 14th, Durango Casino. Beautiful view. Oh, what's going on? Oh yeah, this is going on. Don't make wifey laugh at me again. One is not enough. 15 bucks more, but it's still very good. Wifey's happy with it. I'm happy with it. Clap, clap. I guess we deserve some slow claps right there. $230 million from a $3.75 bet. I mean, it's just, that free spins bonus was ridiculous. We won $3 on the free spins bonus, and we got like oh, it's 200. Oh yeah, sorry, duh. I just like, my math on my brain. So that was a good spot to start. Thank you, little buddy. Okay. So now what are we doing again? 11 backup spins, right? Okay, so back to 11 knockup spins. Okay, I think we're gonna get another one. I believe. Number one, 375 a bet. 2, oh, he was up there. 3, he was up there again. Let's get a line hit. It's important to get line hits in these like backup spins. Oh, he was up there again. He keeps wanting to show. You can do it again. So number 4. Some wilds. Okay. Numero 5, yeah. Okay, 6. Lucky number 7. Oh, hello. And number 8. Oh, terrible bonus. We need you. Okay, number 9. Number 10, right? Oh my goodness, 150. Look at these, that's what she said. 150, just look at that, people. This is what can happen on a 375 bet. Don't think you need to bet huge. Of course, it's more likely to trigger, and you'll see those more frequently on different size bets. But yeah. So was it 2 more left? Yeah. I thought it was gonna come just to troll us. And one more. All right, so we have to appreciate the line hits that we hit, the bonuses we get, and that was awesome. We saw 2 $75 ones, which is, pretty huge. We triggered on a really big one last time too. So we appreciate it. Thank you, Mr. Mummy. It was a little bit of a rebate back. Beautiful view. Come play at the Durango Casino. Sunlight and fun and magic can happen. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you in the next one.